Doing, Mikey? Mikey, what are you doing, Mikey? What am I doing?
Working on cars.
That's right.
Where's your void warranty at, sir?
Huh?
Where's your void warranties shirt at?
Oh, yeah. It's at home. What's tomorrow?
Tomorrow's Wednesday.
Okay, so I wear the void warranty shirt Wednesday. Thursday I wear the twin turbo shirt.
Yeah. Fucking green super lantern.
Green super lantern. Put the smoke on you, boy.
Welcome back, guys. We are back on the dyno with TJ Hunt's 2020 twin turbo C8. As y'all saw, TX2K, we only got 3 passes in, went a best of a 930 to 150 miles an hour. Now we're back at the shop, and I'm really just trying to fine tune the boost controller for his boost settings for the street. So I'm on the dyno, just double checking everything one more time. That way we know how much horsepower per setting per pound of boost we're gonna make when I give it back to him. Does it? Good. Probably 12 pounds at the top. Yeah, 13 pounds of boost.
That's a pretty good guess. I told Dean before the bull was gonna make 907.
You can see though, look at the clutch. See at the hit, and then grabs. You see that with the tires.
That's what I was wondering if it's
You
fun.
just put the tires in the clutch.
Get back
That's
in
why
there.
like we just add like 2 more pounds to see if this gets worse.
True.
You know what I mean? And then if so, then we stop there and then do our TCM and see if it holds. Yeah. I mean, it just sounds clean. Like I felt this, like it feels like zing, right.
Did you really?
Yeah. I could hear it and feel the car. So I almost let out and then it grabbed. But you don't think it was tire slip?
I don't think it was. We could put a nick in the back if you'd like.
You want to do one more back to back? Put a little bit of VHT on it. Do we have a sprayer?
Yeah.
Do it back to back. And then I'll add, if it still does the same thing,
Roll it.
then I'll add 2 more pounds. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
To see if it does. 9356.
Yeah.
That was from our website.
Yeah.
Nice. 9356. I'm not gonna say names, but this is gonna be coming to you.
Because we don't have names, but
Well, you're gonna get it, Dean. Is what I'm saying.
yeah.
And then what else we got on this one? We give anything else out? Any other merch or just this time?
Just that, we'll give him some other stuff though.
You better throw a goodie
Yeah.
bag in for him.
Yeah.
Throw a goodie bag. But yeah, congratulations. Hang it up. power to it. God, it sounds so good. Everything looks like it's working like it should. I got 3 good data logs, so I'll go back and check the data on everything, and then if everything looks good, we gotta finish a few things on this fuel system before we start turning the boost up.
Kind of did. Did you come back with?
Good, it just needs more boost now, but everything worked. Nice. It felt good, man. It really did. The first pull I made, the stock computer shifted it from a stop. The second pull I made, and I had the fuel tech shift it. It felt better. And then the third pull I made, I did like a roll, like a second, third, and fourth. Maybe I got into fifth, second, third, fourth gear. Second, third, and fourth gear. And then it shifted into fifth, and I let out because traffic's kind of bad right now.
Damn.
Here in the street. But yeah, no. This. And the 2-step's not that loud because it doesn't have that much boost on it on the gate. But it's still, I'm about to pull it and see. It still felt good. It spun really bad. First gear and then the shift to second gear.
All right, who else needs to get weighed? $236, $237.
Hey, guess how much I weigh? Closest guess in the comments. Closest guess in the comments. Free t-shirt coming to your address.
How much you weigh?
237. You gotta
what do you think you weigh? What do you think you weigh?
I saw it already.
What is it?
I thought I was around 165.
Uh-oh, putting on weight.
Might be about right, fully clothed.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
What the f***? I was drinking that.
No, it's just paper.
God!
Not even 200?
Holy
Damn.
What is it?
That's pretty lean, damn.
195? 195.
Damn.
That was like 205.
You did cut that on the bananas, dog.
How much do you weigh?
237.
I'm gonna take a picture.
That was
73 pounds? 135.
Kilos, 4 kilos.
237.
I told you.
Let's see.
I know my weight. 215.
Nah.
Oh! 213?
214, yep.
damn. That was close.
All that beer belly shit right there.
Whoa, 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 easy,
God
easy.
damn.
What the f*** say?
It says to be continued. Holy.
211. 211. 212. 211 though.
Steven.
Never mind. I mean, it's still.
Yeah, no, that should be runnable.
Yeah. All right, let me pull the file and see what happens.
Can we add some?
Yes, please.
How much is in it?
Half.
Yeah, that's not working.
Yeah.
Guys is in the chill tank.
How hot is it?
Man has it over there with fuel in it.
You don't need a funnel. Look how big that opening is.
Man, if you can't hit that hole.
Rain-X.
Ah.
All season with the bug repellent.
Yeah, I like that. I like that. Protects the window.
They used to do that, right? Yeah. Straight windshield washer fluid.
They do.
Half meth. Oh, there's my alarm reminding me to clock out.
Tap, tap, taparoo. Hey, did y'all leave this on last pull or no?
I already turned CO2 off.
Alright, let's do this. Let's do it.
Predictions. 982.
Oh, you think it's gonna hold?
Yeah.
I think it's gonna slip and go like 940 something. Maybe, yeah, 940 something.
3 pounds?
I added 3 on top of the gate. So it's not necessarily gonna make 3 more pounds, it might only make like 2 more pounds. But I think it's gonna slip.
It's gonna make 982. push closer.
It only picked up 2 pounds of boost, but it helped. All right, well, now it's time to get stupid.
Man, I love getting stupid.
Dude, it's actually holding.
I told you. That was perfect.
Yeah, look, it picked up a couple pounds of boost. Look, and we got another twin turbo one running. That one's getting ready to make stupid numbers or grenade later this week. Oh, I can't wait to test that one. Hence why we're testing this right now, so we can find the limits of certain things on here, and then that one we're gonna go even dumber with.
Dumb and dumber.
Wait till you see the tires we got for it, Dean.
The tires?
Yeah, we got wheels and tires for it coming this week.
What brand tires?
You don't worry about that. You're gonna wait and see when we put them on.
The kind that make world record attempts.
There you go. I wanted to take back. I wanted to go to the track one more time. We only went, like I said, we made literally 3 passes and that's it. I know if I just give me 2 more passes, this car will at least go a 9.1. All right, I'll say 9.20 to a 9.1, no problem. But TJ wants the car back. He's gonna take the car back. They both have 930 twin turbo C8s that they can play with and have fun with. And I'll leave it at that. I know there's another twin turbo C8, I think that lives in California, that he'd like to line up next to. So I went ahead and gave him a little bit more, and there's even more in the tank for that. I'll make sure to have a setting for him in case he lines up next to that one in particular, or any other twin turbo C8s out there, or maybe even a twin turbo Lambo or GTR. So we'll be a little bit faster than it was at TX2K now. That's what I said. I said literally we went to the track 1 time, we made 3 passes, and by the 2nd pass we went as fast as she did in
97, 100.
Which again, some of the other C8s, it took them hundreds of passes
Exactly.
to get. So it is what it is. But I know for a fact, give me 2 more passes, that car will go, like I said, at 920, 9.1, 9.0, but definitely a 920. I know that for a fact. And now that we have even more horsepower for him compared to where we were at TX2K, yeah, there's no doubt in my mind it will run faster. And we're not done yet. That's just for y'all to see on the interwebs. Until next time. Let's break it.
Goodbye.